I am Detective Chief Inspector Nicola of Cheshire Constabulary. This has been a difficult trial for the family of baby Kay and everybody connected to the case. Once again, in the face of profound adversity, baby Kay's parents have displayed enormous courage, dignity and sensitivity. This has inspired the prosecution case and the team throughout the presentation and the preparation for this trial. Over the last 3 weeks, we have seen medics and nurses give their evidence in a professional and personal manner. Without this, the family and parents of baby Kay would not have received the justice that they have received today. I hope today's verdict allows baby Kay's parents and their wider family to try and move forward from what has been a very difficult time. Cheshire Constabulary will continue to support them in the coming months as they come to terms with what has happened here today. I will now pass you on to my colleague from the Crown Prosecution Service, Senior Prosecutor Nicola Williams.
Lucy Letby has continually denied that she tried to kill this baby or any of the babies that she's been convicted of murdering or attempting to murder. The jury has heard all of the detailed evidence, including from Letby and her own defence, and then formed their own view. Our case involved direct evidence from the doctor who walked into the nursery to find a very premature baby desaturating, with Letby standing by, taking no action to help or to raise the alarm. She deliberately dislodged the breathing tube in an attempt to kill her. Staff at the unit had to think the unthinkable, that one of their own was deliberately harming and killing babies in their care. Letby dislodged the tube a further 2 times over the following few hours in an attempt to cover her tracks and suggest that the first dislodgement was accidental. These were the actions of a cold-blooded, calculated killer. Our thoughts remain with the family of baby Kay and the countless others affected by Letby's crimes. The Crown Prosecution Service would like to thank all those involved in this prosecution for their help in securing justice in this case.
I am Detective Inspector Andrea of Cheshire Constabulary, and I am representing the family liaison team. I've been asked to read out a statement on behalf of the family in this case. Words cannot effectively explain how we are feeling at this moment in time. To lose a baby is a heartbreaking experience that no parent should ever go through. But to lose a baby and then learn of the harm that was inflicted under these circumstances is unimaginable. Over the past 7 to 8 years, we have had to go through a long, torturous and emotional journey twice. From losing our precious newborn and grieving her loss, to being told years later that her death or collapse might be suspicious. Nothing can prepare you for that news. Today, justice has been served, and a nurse who should have been caring for our daughter has been found guilty of harming her. But this justice will not take away the extreme hurt, anger and distress that we've all had to experience. It also does not provide us with an explanation as to why these crimes have taken place. We are heartbroken, devastated, angry and feel numb. We may never truly know why this happened. Words cannot express our gratitude to the jury. We recognise that this has not been an easy task for them, and we will forever be grateful for their patience and resilience throughout this incredibly difficult process. The police investigation began in 2017, and we have been supported from the very beginning by a team of experienced and dedicated family liaison officers. We want to thank those officers for everything they've done for us, not only once, but twice. Medical experts, consultants, doctors and nursing staff have all been given evidence in court, which at times has been extremely hard for us to listen to. However, we recognise the determination and commitment that each witness has shown in ensuring that the truth has been told. We acknowledge that the evidence given by each of them has been key in securing today's verdict. Finally, we would like to acknowledge and thank the investigation team and, more recently, the prosecution team who have led the trial to a successful conclusion. The search for the truth has remained at the forefront of everyone's minds, and we will forever be grateful for this. We would now ask for time, in peace, to process what has happened as we come to terms with today's verdict.